today I'm gonna do a hair tutorial. Yeah, I have never done that before, so I'm gonna do hair tutorial. Yeah, you guys know that, you know, without a good hair, your whatever the makeup you do, it of course it's not gonna look that good. I mean, your overall look should be great to look that good. So yeah, my hair is right now a mess. I am trying to create a wavy kind of a look, so let's get started. So for this look, I'm going to take off my hairband now, and I have already splitted my hair into half. I'm just gonna comb my hair with my hairbrush just to take out all the tangles. Now I'm gonna part my hair. So for that, I'm taking this tail comb. It's very difficult. I don't do hair tutorials because I'm not very great at it. There, I said it. So I'm just gonna leave this behind, like a portion of my hair, and I'm just gonna tie them up. So yeah, I parted my hair, and I'm gonna do like try on this side first. Taking my hair straightener, this is Philips hair straightener. This is the Salon Straight Essential. This is not a paid promotion, you guys. This is what I use. It's taking this part like so, just twisting away from my face, and just with the help of my straightener, I'm just trying to give it a little heat so that the twists stay in place and give me a crimping effect. That's it. Cool the hair a little bit, and then I'm gonna open it. See how beautifully the crimping effect is coming. I'm gonna open it. Yeah, so this is the effect that I was actually looking for. So I'm gonna take another portion. It's actually the hardest part. So I'm gonna do this portion, the same thing. I'm gonna twist it like this. I'm really twisting it like really tightly so that the effect comes. And then I'm gonna use my straightener to just give that heat. And now I'm gonna try to cool my hair and opening. Ta-da! You like my hair? So I'm just gonna finish up the rest of the hair like so. So the larger the sections you are going to take, the larger the crimp size will be. The rest of the hair, what I'm doing is I am leaving it by not opening it so that it gets cold on its own, and I'll have that wavy, crimpy effect. So this is how it is looking. I have not opened the hairs. I just curled it and left it like this so that it cools down, and then when I like take them like with my fingers like this, then it will give a really nice crimping effect. But this is how, this is like this I really like it. So I'm gonna do that, do this for this part of my hair which is like sitting for a while. So I'm just gonna open this up. I'm gonna do the same procedure here as well. Oh yeah. It's actually pretty simple if you you don't get the hang of it. and it's gonna give you a very amazing effect at the end. When your hair is wet, if you braid them and leave it overnight, and then it's gonna give you a crimping beautiful effect. Now you guys have, you know, different machines for it to crimp your hair as well, but I think like this is another way of you doing so, and I'm loving the effect. It's gonna give me a beach wave, but it's gonna look super cute as well. I have not seen any kind of tutorial. It just came out of my mind, I mean, just like that. I don't know if somebody else also have like a tutorial or something on this, but it just came out of my mind. I like, let's twist them and use the straightener to give them some heat and see what the result will be like. Okay, so as I have just done this portion, I'm gonna leave it for like few more minutes. I'm gonna open this and keeping my finger crossed, let's see how this is looking. So just my, you know, using my fingers, opening those curls. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, do you see those curls? Girl, those are some curls, man. Wow, I did not expect it that. Did not expect it. I don't think I need a hairspray. Normally, you know, my hair behaves like very nicely with me, and they do not, like, you know, the style does not go away. And yeah, girl, look at this. So all my glow beauties, you can try this. Like, this dude, so pretty. It just now I'm just flipping my hair and voila, voila, you guys, voila. Do you see that bounce? Do you see that look? Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. I am loving it. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and be with me. Yeah, if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We have so many videos coming up. Also tag me if you do try that out, and also post that picture on your Instagram, tag me, and I'll be happy to post that on my stories. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this. I am really loving this hair. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this. I'll see you at the next video. Bye.